What I want to look at now is how to add a bio to your website. It says on the instructions that we need a link to the author's biography, or in this case, the band who performed the song. And I could do exactly like I did here with the song and just start to put a list of things down here the same way. But I want to show you a couple different tools in here that you may be familiar with seeing on different websites. So I'm going to add a button to navigate. So I'm going to come down here to buttons and menus. I'm going to hit emphasis button. I like the emphasis button. So I'm going to make this button my link. So I have a couple places I can put this button here, and I can change the shape of it, make it smaller, more narrow. I'm going to go ahead and call this button biography. I hope I spell it correctly. Biography. And for the link, I have a biography I found for Francis Scott Key here on a credible web page. I'm just going to copy that web address up there and then go back to my editor and paste that in there. I'm using a web page. Command V. I like it to open a new window, so it's in a different window. I'm going to hit OK. And now this button, if I go to preview, when I click on that, should link me over to this website. So let me show you how to adjust the buttons a little bit. So if I go back onto the button and I click on change style and I then hit edit style, you'll notice that I like the colors, they match my color scheme, but I could change the colors of this button. The background color I already have set to match the yellow. The mouse over means that when the mouse moves over it, see how these kind of light up? That's what it does. It's going to turn red. So I'm going to hit OK, OK. And so the yellow button, yellow doesn't quite match. I think I'll change that a little bit. I have the right color picked. I don't know why it's changed a little bit there. I'll live with that yellow for now. There's a couple places I could put this button. I could put it up in here, and then I could have a series of buttons going across the page. I could put it right here, and I could have a series of buttons going across here. I can even move it down here and put it beneath these and change the color of it to maybe a dark red or a black or a gray that when it mouses over it turns yellow. But for now, because I feel like I just need something visually more going on, I'm just going to put that here for now. And maybe I'll add in a couple of other things here, just really quick links, so when my viewer pops on, they can see my main text here, but they can find some different things that they can click on as well. So that's how you use a button, a navigation button, to add a link to your biography.